Myself, Dr. R.R. Sanap, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Rao Bahadur Narayana Boroke College, Srampur. Today, I am going to deliver the lecture on the cultivation and collection of the Manta. So actually it is a part of syllabus of T.Y.B.Sc Botany, paper 4th, BO 344, and title of the paper is The Medicinal and Economic Botany. So here, there are so many plants which are commonly used as crude drugs. So the different parts of the plants are used in coarsely or roughly as a crude drug. They may be often from the different parts like root, stem, bark, leaf, then lattices, different types of the fruits, seeds, fruit wall, seed wall, different types of oils, volatile oils, and so on. So here the eucalyptus, then Manta. So these are some plants from which the volatile oil is obtained and it is used to cure the different types of diseases. So today I am going to talk on this Manta. So this Manta, if we see its botanical name, so its botanical source or botanical name is the Manta piperata, and it belongs to family Lamiaceae. And if we see this plant, it is a small herbaceous plant, and from the leaves and twigs of this plant, the menthol is obtained, and this menthol, it consists of more than 50% menthol in the plant twigs. So here, if we see this plant, that is Manta piperata, actually it is a small herbaceous plant, belongs to family Piperaceae, belong to family Lamiaceae, and this plant, it is commonly cultivated for its volatile oil, and that volatile oil, it consists of the menthol. So this plant, it is very aromatic due to the presence of this volatile oil, and so for it is cultivated throughout India. So if we see its cultivation and collection practices, so if we see its cultivation, so this plant, it grows in well-drained sandy, loamy soil. So sandy, loamy soil and well-drained soil having the neutral pH is the very well for the cultivation of this plant, that is the Manta. So here the sandy loamy soil, which is drain out the water, and so for that purpose such type of soil, it is very effective, having the neutral pH for the cultivation of this Manta. Then if we see the rainfall, So maximum rainfall 95 to 105 centimeter rainfall. It is very useful for the growth and cultivation of this plant, that is the Manta. And the temperature required for the growth is 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. It is very suitable temperature for the growth of this plant. This plant, it grows to an altitude near about 250 to 400 meter. Such type of altitude, it is very ideal so it is very ideal location for the growth of this Manta. And if we see its cultivation, so the cultivation of this Manta, it is carried out with the help of the vegetative propagation. And for the vegetative propagation, the suckers of the plants, they are very commonly used. So the suckers of this plant, Manta, it is propagated with the help of the suckers. And these suckers, they are collected, they are made into the small pieces, and these suckers, then later on they are planted. So they are planted in the soil or placed in the soil, keeping a distance to about 10 centimeter. So plant to plant distance, it is placed in the 10 centimeter spacing, and in between the lines or rows. So the rows distance, which is having 50, near about the 50 to 60 centimeter, it is very suitable for the growth. So thus here the suckers, plant to plant distance, it is 10 centimeter, and between the two rows the distance, it is kept to about 50 to 60 centimeter. So such type of distance, it is very favorable for the growth. Then the mercury compound products or mercury compound fungicides, they are very effective for controlling the pest and for the well sprouting. So for well sprouting, these mercury compound fungicides, they are very commonly used. So many times different types of weeds, they causes a serious problem to this crop. So the frequently hoeing is very effective for the growth, cultivation and the production of this Manta. And this harvesting, it is done when this plant, it comes to the flowering stage. So when the plant, it comes to this flowering stage, then it is the proper season or the proper timing for its harvesting. So during the harvesting, the crops, they should be flowered, so it is very suitable timing. Then if we see, the important thing is that this Manta, it is very susceptible. It is very susceptible for the different types of the pests. So it gets affected or infected by the different types of pests, and so the pest control, it is very important problem, serious problem for the harvesting. And so this pest control, it is carried out with the help of the different types of the pesticides like the endrin. So this endrin, it is best pesticide to control the different types of the pest. Then the thiodon, then the benzene hexachloride, that is the B.Sc, sulfur, and malathion. So these are the different types of the pesticides which are commonly used to control this pest. So thus here, this is about the cultivation of the Manta crop and its collection. So as I told you, when the plant, it grows to a flowering stage, so at that time its tops of the plant, they are cut off, they are collected, and then later on by the steam distillation, then the menthol oil is extracted, which is the volatile oil, and it is used for the it is used for during the different types of the diseases. So this is about this collection, cultivation of this drug, that is the Manta. So this is about this Manta, that is collection and cultivation. Now here I am going to conclude here. Thank you very much.